Hi, I'm John Uzbasic, and I'm here to tell you about our new course, Project Management Basics. Many people manage projects using their best efforts, the way they figured it out on their own. Research on project failures has shown that the same mistakes are made on a regular basis. Here at Merit, we took the top 10 reasons why projects fail and designed a course to help people avoid these common mistakes. We examined the Bermuda Triangle of project management and how it affects all projects. This half-day workshop provides an overview of the project management process and how to avoid these errors. Using a case study, teams complete practical project management exercises using these best practices. First, we scope out the project, analyze the stakeholders, and break a large project into manageable activities. We learn how to sequence these activities and develop a project schedule. Managing project scope change is often difficult. We develop a method to do it right. Then we address the number one reason projects fail. And together we create a communication plan. Using these project management tools, you will now understand how to manage a project to successful completion. Anyone managing projects will benefit from this course and improve their odds of success. Surprisingly, we can do it in just half a day, only 4 hours. Join me and improve the way you manage projects. Contact Merit Career Development today.